Oh, here we go. Guess we have to watch it on Twitter. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my... It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Introducing Windows 11! I'm pretty sure you can, like, customize the taskbar settings to make it like the Windows 10 or something. That looks like a terrible charger. Oh my god. Video calling. Yeah, it is a bit more mobile friendly. Oh no, what is this alt tab? Gaming! Gaming! DirectX 12! What? HDR! Game Pass! Oh my god, it's Halo Infinite! Windows Store. I love the Windows Store. That alt tab didn't look very good. All my favorite brands. Oh my god, Flight Simulator! Whoa! Oh my god.
Incredible. We're so excited. The team put so much into this. We can't wait to share it with you. Windows 11. Modern, fresh, clean, beautiful. From the lock screen to Windows Hello.
It better be a free upgrade.
Windows 11 welcomes you. We put Start at the center. It puts you at the center. It's what you need closer to you, simplified. It's cloud powered to serve you the docs and the apps you need. And the details matter.
Oh my god, Netflix is pre-installed.
That enable
I'm
you
so excited
to get to that emotional space in connection with the product, to be able to produce and get the work you need done. The team obsessed over every pixel, like the way the light moves across the icons, the transparencies that guide you, the colors, the textures. They feel real. The transitions are beautiful. And you can feel their elegance. We redesigned the themes. We looked at light mode, dark mode, tuning the contrast with the materials. That dark mode actually looks good. So the content stands out. You'll notice the rounded corners throughout the entire product. The softer visuals, they happen on the apps that you open as well. And when we talk about
it looks like a Mac.
Seamlessly, this is what we mean. Watch as I open what looks like a sheet of glass that slides over the top of the product. It helps you understand at all times where you are. And sometimes getting you the inspiration and information that you need when you need it. It's what helps you be productive and creative. All of these details coming together. The transitions,
Windows 7
the user interface,
Arrow.
How it all flows together is meant to bring you an incredible sense of calm. Now, we talked about Windows 11 being beautiful on the outside, but it's also beautiful on the inside. The product is faster. Waking from sleep is faster. Windows Hello is faster. Browsing on Edge is faster. Browsing on any browser is faster, actually, which is just awesome. Windows updates.
Windows updates.
Windows updates are 40% smaller.
40%
and
smaller?
They're more efficient as they happen in the background.
Oh my
The
god.
product uses less energy, which gives you more battery
Less
life
energy?
and makes Windows more responsive.
Does it make my games faster?
And maybe most important, Windows 11 is the most secure Windows yet.
Secure?
All of this craftsmanship, from the details of design through the performance, they come together to empower you to produce and inspire you to create.
Please let me upgrade today.
To really understand
It's already been leaked,
its
so
beauty,
just release it today.
you have to see how it feels.
For over 1.3 billion people around the world, Windows is what inspires us to
Windows
imagine,
is what
to
inspires
create,
us.
and ultimately,
I don't
to
like
get
this
things
girl's
done.
voice.
With Windows 11, we made it faster and simpler to get started, to get organized, and
What
to get
is that
back
keyboard?
into what you were doing.
What the fuck?
All so that you can be your most productive and
What is
creative.
that?
The new Start menu, with its simple, clean, and beautiful centered layout,
That
is
touchscreen
optimized so you
looked
can
very
find what you
delayed.
need quickly. Use the search bar to find things anywhere, on your PC,
Ergonomic
OneDrive,
keyboard.
and the web. Use the recommended section to jump right back to editing. Start utilizes the cloud and the power of M365 so you can see your recent files, no matter what platform or device you were viewing them on earlier. In fact, I was looking at this Power and Simplicity document on my phone this morning. And now with just one
Where's her
tap,
Windows
I'm right
phone?
back into it. We're also making it easier
She
to
had
get
a
started
Samsung.
with new multitasking experiences. Windows has always been about helping you work how you want by offering the flexibility of using multiple windows on your screen. The ability to snap two apps side by side has helped busy Windows users for years. My team and I took the challenge to make an even more powerful way to help you create and be productive. Introducing Snap Layouts.
I don't
New
care about this.
on Windows 11.
I want
Layouts
gaming.
tailored to the size of your screen. Pick the layout that suits you. And with a couple of clicks,
That's cool, but I
you're
want
set
gaming.
up to do your best work. And Windows is
Furniture
going to
shopping
remember this.
budgeting.
You'll see what I mean in a sec. This is complexity made simple, but deceptively simple because nobody else lets you do this with this many windows. With the new Start menu and Snap Layouts, it's effortless to find what you need, to get set up,
True
and get
Netflix
started.
in game.
Next, I want to show you how Windows helps you get back to where you were. Just when you get all settled in and organized and ready to work, along comes the inevitable
450
interruption.
bucks for a
A
sofa?
personal email that I need to
Jesus.
reply to right away. Now with Windows 11, when you return to what you were doing after handling the interruption, or even when you return to the PC after being away from it for a while, you don't have to remember where you were or waste time setting things back up. Not anymore. This is Snap Groups, the collections of apps that I was using, sitting right here in the taskbar.
Wait, what?
Windows remembers and keeps them for me. I can get to it
It
right from the
saves the
taskbar where I'm
snap.
already going to switch apps.
A mouse?
And because
I
they're
didn't
right on
see
the
a mouse.
taskbar, you can now choose to switch between apps or entire projects. This is next level task switching. Bringing multiple windows back together is something you can only do on Windows. Sometimes switching projects or tasks means switching
wow.
locations, like taking a
That
call
mouse is
in a
huge.
quieter space. So if you're
What
not
the
docking
fuck
yet,
is that?
and pro tip, you really should be, an extra monitor gives you more screen space
Looks like
to
a
spread
baseball.
out. And you have the convenience of taking your device with you. When you do need to move around, the windows on your monitor minimize to your laptop so they don't disturb what you were doing. And now with Windows 11, and this is where the magic really happens, when you reconnect,
Oh my god.
everything is back where you had it before.
No way.
No more trying
That's
to remember
crazy.
what you were doing. No more reconfiguring your layout. It's just right back to the way that you had it. So relax.
Yeah, she
and
probably
get
buys
right
all this
back to doing.
ergonomic stuff and she sits
With
at the
Snap
computer
Groups
for like
and
10
the new
minutes.
docking and undocking experience, it's easier than ever to get back to being your most productive and creative. I also want to show you 2 ways we're making it easier to always know where you are in Windows and in experiences like Microsoft Edge. As we research and watch videos and shop in the browser, it's easy to get lost in a bunch of tabs. With one click, you can switch to vertical
just-
tabs, which makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for.
No Microsoft Edge.
The second way we're making it easier to know where you are is with desktops. We designed desktops to help you stay organized and focused. Each desktop can display a different set of apps so that you can make separate rooms for the different parts of your life. With Windows 11, you can now personalize each of your
My internet
desktops
was
with
going out
custom
for a second.
wallpapers so that each desktop can be its own place with its own look and purpose.
What's this
You can have
stupid
one for
fucking
home,
game?
one for school.
How do I uninstall
one for
this
work.
game? I don't want it.
You can even have one for gaming. Have as many as you need. Desktops are an easy way to help you stay organized and focused. They're different expressions of you designed for the different parts of your life. The team and I are grateful, so grateful, that many of you choose Windows as your place to be creative and to get things done. We took aim at complexity and we brought you simplicity. We cannot wait to see what you do with Windows 11.
That was just awesome. I'm so inspired to make products with Carmen and the team. Snap layouts, docking. I mean, these features, I'm pumped. I can't wait for you to try them. And for me, I have to tell you, they have changed my workflow on a daily basis. And they work,
Oh
they
my
work
god, it's
incredibly
changed his
well.
life.
But it's not just about productivity. It's not just about creativity. Beyond those things, there's another critical part of Windows. And we said we want to bring you closer to the things you love. Connecting to people is at the top of that list. Now, during the pandemic, for me, it was a pretty interesting time. I connected with my family more face-to-face than I had in quite some time. I mean, think about how many connections we all made. And whether it was on Zoom or Skype or Teams,
Can
we've
we
connected
just,
with friends,
get
and
some
family,
gaming
and loved
information?
ones all around the globe through our PCs. On Teams, my family and I would get together regularly, and it was pretty inspiring. It really did. You start using it, and it changed the way you think about connecting with family. It was almost like, why weren't we doing this before? I'm closer with my family
Oh
in
my God,
Cyprus
he's getting
now
emotional.
than I ever was.
He's closer to his
Don't get me
family
wrong.
through fucking video call.
I mean, I want to hug them. I do. I want to be with them. I want to be next to them. But at the same time, I don't want to lose this opportunity to connect with them on the PC, the way we've been connecting and getting closer. It's almost like we found a new tradition,
Oh,
which is why I'm super excited today to announce to you Teams integration directly into Windows. Now, you can connect with one touch, the icon, front and center, on the taskbar. It's just fast and you're
It's
in.
like-
You can
it's
chat,
like
call,
iMessage.
video call with anyone, anywhere in the world. And no matter what platform you're using, it doesn't matter. Any device you're using, it doesn't matter. That's so important to understand. Whether you're on Windows or iOS or Android, it doesn't matter. What's amazing is that with one touch around the world, you connect with the people you love.
Mario. Looks like Skype. What is this, a remixed Skype ringtone?
We had a girl.
Yoga. I've never heard of that laptop brand before. I miss it.
You look great. I can't wait to see you in person.
Wait, she was holding her phone like this in portrait mode. How was her video in landscape?
Everything okay?
Yeah, I just felt like saying hi.
Just have fun. Oh my god, this looks so fun. I can't wait to video call strangers. When an hour turns into days. Oh. awful privacy leak. Yeah, probably. Surely you can uninstall it.
Teams is near and dear to my heart, no doubt. And just like Windows brings you closer to the people you love, it also will bring you closer to the information you both want.
Yeah, but surely you can
need.
just uninstall it.
I
No
want to
way
introduce
they're
you
gonna
to a
force
new
you to
feature,
keep it.
Windows Widgets. And you saw this earlier. It's this beautiful sheet of glass. Windows Widgets is a new
Wow, it's
personalized
Angela's
feed
birthday
powered
and
by
this guy
AI,
hasn't even called her.
serving you curated content so you can take a break at any time or just get some inspiration without ever losing your place. These and other innovations in touch, pen, voice, mouse, keyboard, they all come to life to help Windows adapt to you.
Right, let's get some
Adaptability,
gaming. Let's get some
flexibility,
gaming
and
news.
versatility are key
Let's talk
to
about
creating
games.
even more
Let's talk
personal
about gaming
computing.
performance.
So to make Windows 11 something beautiful that works better with you and for you, we've redesigned the experience of
Verge
Windows without a
breaking
keyboard,
down.
so it adapts to you instead of the other way around. We've refined the ways you interact with your PC to give you the flexibility to work how you want. And we've created new experiences to make Windows your go-to, not just for productivity, but also content and entertainment. So first, adaptability. I have a 2-in-1 because I didn't want to also buy a tablet. But to be honest, I never use it without the keyboard
What is a
because it feels too
2-in-1?
different. Windows 11
not
always
just a
feels like
laptop?
Windows. And you'll see what I'm talking about as soon as you detach your keyboard.
Wait, what?
It's the same beautiful centered taskbar, just with a touch more space between the icons.
Laptop,
We've added bigger
tablet.
touch targets
Wow.
and subtle visual cues to make
I would buy that
resizing
and
and
use it to
moving
play
windows easier.
Nintendo 64 games.
You still have Snap to make the most of your screen, and when you rotate, not only is it smooth, but we've stacked them on top of each other because it just makes sense. We've also added gestures because we know how important they are, especially when you don't have a keyboard. And they're the same ones you use on the trackpad
Shit,
today.
battery.
So you don't have to relearn how to use your device.
No.
It's a consistent experience with
Conquer.
subtle differences
Windows
to make
11 is
Windows
more
adapt
efficient.
to you.
So, battery
Next,
life is that a
we've
problem?
refined the different ways that you can interact with your PC, so you can use it however you want to. Many of you like to use a pen because it's a great way to sketch out ideas or highlight and take notes. With Windows 11, we're enabling haptics to make using your pen even more engaging and immersive. I cannot wait for you to get your hands on one of these because it's amazing to feel
I
and
cannot wait to
hear
get my hands on a
vibrations as you
pen.
click and edit and
Oh,
write
wow.
and sketch. Or
Nice
you can
magnet.
use the new touch keyboard, which is amazing.
Oh, God.
There are new themes, so you can make it yours. It might even
Can I
feel
make
like the
mine
one you have on
anime
your phone.
themed?
You can swipe with your thumb, use the spacebar as a cursor,
Okay.
and it wouldn't be complete without emojis and GIFs.
Oh my, wait,
And last but certainly not least, voice
the
type.
clip?
Arguably the fastest way to
paperclip
get your
guy
ideas
was
down on
there.
paper. Windows 11
brought
is so
Clippy
good
back.
at recognizing what you say. And it can automatically
Will
punctuate for you.
Clippy ask if I want help
Cool, right?
writing a novel?
And there are voice commands. Delete that. And
Oh, wow.
finally, we've created new experiences to make Windows more versatile. Not just a place for productivity, but also your go-to for content and entertainment. Anytime I'm on my PC, I could check stuff like my calendar, the weather, and the news. Instead, I normally pick up my phone because it feels quicker and doesn't mess with what I have on my desktop. This great new feature called Widgets keeps you up to date with the stuff that matters to you without you having to lose your place. It slides over your desktop, and you can use it like this, or you can make it full screen to see everything at once.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
You can
My back
rearrange
hurts so much.
and resize your widgets to quickly check everything from calendar to traffic to the latest in esports. But my favorite
did he
part
just say
is the
esports?
newsfeed. And I think you're gonna love it too, because it adapts to you and what's important to you and delivers stories that might
My
interest you.
back is killing me.
Whether that's international politics, tech, or the local news to help you stay close to your community,
Yeah,
which
too much
means a lot
mobile
to me,
stuff. Where's the
personally.
gaming stuff?
And
Are
not
they gonna
only
leave
can
it
I
to the
stay up to
end?
date, I can even support local content creators and authors by giving them a
I'm
tip.
not gonna live in this country forever.
The last way I want to show you how we're making
I'll get
Windows
a proper,
11
I'll
great
get
for
a proper
entertainment
chair
is in the
when I
Microsoft
move
Store.
to America.
We've redesigned the Entertainment tab to bring you top movies and TV shows from across streaming services, all in one place. Then you can either cuddle up in bed or
Ooh, cuddle
project
up
to
in
your TV
bed.
with Wireless Connect.
Still the old Windows player. That's horrible. The Windows player is
Windows
so
11
shit.
makes the PC even more personal by adapting to you, empowering you to work and create however you like, and by giving you the best of productivity and entertainment all in one place. So as you move through your day, Windows 11 moves with you.
And PCHC
All right,
gang,
that was
what is
amazing
that?
stuff. I want to take just a few more seconds talking to you about the feed and the Windows platform and just thinking about it. Think about the size and scale of the Windows platform.
Those look
and the
like
opportunity to
some
open
expensive
up
shoes.
to local content
Are
creators
those Nike shoes expensive?
and global brands alike. This is inspiring to me. It's
Media
good for both
player.
creators, it's good for consumers, and we're just at the beginning of opening up new real estate within Windows. All right, now let's switch gears for
Gaming.
just a second.
Gaming.
I want to talk to you about something
Gaming.
awesome.
Gaming.
Gaming. If you're a gamer, Windows 11, it was
my
made for
God.
you. And the best person to tell you about it is my good friend and colleague,
The Xbox
Sarah
guy.
Bond.
Oh.
Thanks, Panos. I'm thrilled to be here today to share the latest gaming innovations
Xbox
in
someone.
Windows 11. Gaming has always been fundamental to what Windows is all about. We build Windows to be a magical place where everyone can play, connect, and create. The Windows legacy is one of innovation through collaboration, breaking down barriers, crossing divides, and bringing all creators and players together in a limitless
Yeah, I don't know.
world. Our commitment to boundless
screen
creator and player
backgrounds,
experiences is
bad.
fundamental to what we do. And for me, this commitment is personal because Windows is where I learned to play. My first memory of playing a game is with my dad when I was 7 years old, playing King's Quest II on his IBM PC. I remember the joy of navigating the 8-bit character of King Graham through the 2D world of Daventry. And I chuckle now when I realize that my dad was just getting me to practice reading when he insisted that I read the dialogue out loud. Now, when I play games with my daughter, it always transports me back to that time. It feels like home.
Wow.
Today, hundreds of millions of people around the globe game on Windows, and the next generation can connect with their loved ones through play, just like I do. And while the 8-bit worlds I explored with my dad felt huge to
Yeah,
my
okay.
7-year-old eyes, the universes we all get to explore now are truly vast, beautiful, and impactful. With superior graphics, amazing speed, and an incredible selection of games, Windows 11 delivers the best PC gaming experiences yet. And
Let's see
that is
it.
why I am delighted to share what Windows 11 means for the future of gaming.
I didn't even bother with
First,
voice meter.
Superior graphics.
I tried voice meter once and
Games
it
can
kept
look better
fucking
than
my
ever
audio
on
up.
Windows 11 thanks to
I
Auto
just gave up on
HDR,
it.
which automatically updates your game's lighting and color to high dynamic range. We
HDR, oh my
introduced
god.
this tech in our Xbox consoles and got an incredible response from creators
dual
and
PC.
players. It's just awesome to bring this to Windows 11. The
Oh
results
my
can
god,
be
HDR
dramatic.
comes to
Just check
Skyrim.
out this side-by-side
Skyrim
comparison of
HDR edition.
Skyrim from our own Bethesda Game Studios. On the left, you can see the game running in SDR, and on the right in Auto HDR.
Wait,
The
but
colors
I
and
don't
lighting
have
are much
HDR
more vibrant
monitor,
and
so
lifelike with
how
HDR,
am I
elevating the visual
able to see a
fidelity.
difference? Why am
The
I seeing a difference?
Is
this like
stunning.
fake HDR? What is
Over
this?
1,000 games, including Age of Empires Definitive
I'm
Edition,
confused.
Rocket League, DayZ, and even Doom 64 will be automatically enhanced on
Does she
Windows
say
11
DayZ?
devices that support HDR.
Who plays DayZ?
And all of this with no effort required from the player or the developer. It just works.
So is this like a
Next,
fake HDR? What is
amazing
this?
speed. With top-performing PCs running Windows 11, new games can load faster than ever thanks to a breakthrough technology called
Breakthrough.
Direct Storage, which we first pioneered in the Xbox Series X and S.
Oh
With direct
my
storage,
god.
games can quickly load assets to the graphics card without bogging down the CPU. This means you get to experience incredibly detailed game worlds rendered at lightning speeds without long load times. Direct storage optimized Windows 11 PCs are configured with the hardware and drivers needed to enable this amazing experience. But you all know, even the best graphics and speed are nothing without play. Which brings me to the final and most important thing of all, games. That's why we created Xbox Game
Forza
Pass,
Horizon 5.
built right into Windows 11 through the Xbox app.
Windows
Game
11
Pass is a membership
like
built to
10%
bring the
FPS
power
boost.
of games
That is
to
pretty decent.
everyone.
I'm
For a
excited.
low monthly price, you
Now I
have
have
full
a
access to a
Beast
library
of
of
a computer.
hundreds of
I'm
games.
happy.
The Game Pass library is incredible. It includes PC games from both Xbox Game Studios
Okay, nobody
and
cares about
Bethesda
Game
the day they launched,
Pass.
all of EA Play, and a
I
great
thought they were gonna
selection
show,
of
like,
third-party
a
titles from
performance
developers
difference
big
thing,
and small, with more
not
entering
Game
every
Pass.
single month. And with
I
Xbox Cloud
will
Gaming
move
integrated,
to
we've
that
made it
place
possible to play
when
the
the
highest
international
fidelity
borders
games
open.
on all PCs. Also, because of our commitment to player-first innovations like cross-play and cross-save, you can play these
Which is
games
probably gonna be a very long time.
seamlessly across devices with a global community of millions of players.
I can get it. What? You can get
Game
exceptions,
Pass
really?
is simply the
I
best
had
way
no
to
idea.
discover and play your next favorite game. And for those favorites you want to keep, you can also buy them straight from the Xbox app with just the click of a button. Whatever you're in the mood for, whether it's an action game like Halo, a grand strategy game like Crusader
Wait,
Kings
is this
3,
on Microsoft
or
Store?
an indie legend like Undertale,
This
we've
actually
got you
looks
covered.
somewhat better.
And because Windows has the broadest hardware support
Oh.
in the world,
That's cool.
you can connect millions of gaming
look into
peripherals
it.
and accessories so you can game the way you want. Everything from Bluetooth controllers, mechanical keyboards, the Xbox Adaptive Controller, and surround sound headsets, to flight sticks, driving wheels, and external GPUs. From the team that has always been committed to unleashing creativity, connection, and play, we bring you the best Windows ever for gaming.
Oh my
Superior
god.
graphics, amazing speed, and
Are they
incredible
going to show any
games.
difference though?
Welcome to Windows 11.
Like, where's... Okay, this is just gameplay for games that aren't out yet. Oh, it's just another ad for Game Pass. Why don't they show, like, a performance difference between Windows 10 and Windows 11 on a game? Oh my god, incredible gaming laptops.
Thank you, Sarah. That was
That's it?
amazing. Gaming is
Wow.
awesome. We've seen a lot today. We've gone through productivity, creativity, versatility in gaming. But when you think about it, it's always about
Where is
apps.
Bill
And
Gates?
Windows has always been about apps.
Does Bill Gates have any
This is
input
why
on Windows anymore?
We've rebuilt the Microsoft Store from the ground up, and we built it for speed. And it is beautiful.
I don't know. I
Oh,
don't
that's
think
cool.
I would
love
ever
seeing
get the
Disney Plus in the
Game
store.
Pass.
The store is so simple to use. Search is
Okay, the
incredible.
store looks a little
It's still
better.
the safest and most secure way for you to get your apps on Windows. And we're making sure every app you need is there to create, learn, do, and play the way you want to. Now, for the developers out there,
Among Us.
let me talk to you. First, you're our heroes. What you do, what you build, I mean, I gotta tell you, it
What
inspires
is
us.
WordPress?
But we also want you to be able to bring any technology, the technology that you love, to the store. Whether you've already built it or you're building it now, and it's a PWA or a Win32 app or a UWP, We just want to make it easier for
Website
you to
building.
bring it to the store. That's our goal.
Interesting.
We also
A Wikipedia app.
want to help
Wow.
you build your business.
Yeah,
And whether you use
he's so
the Commerce
emotional.
Engine
He's so
that we help you
proud.
with, and you want industry-leading rev share from that, or bring your own Commerce Engine. And if you do bring your own Commerce Engine, you keep 100% of your revenue.
Oh my god,
We
Roblox and
keep
Among Us
0.
and Ark.
A great example of where all this store technology comes together is with Adobe, who are just doing amazing work, bringing the Creative Cloud and Document Cloud directly to the Microsoft Store through their subscription services across a suite of app technology
Adobe
from UWP
Creative
to
Cloud,
PWA
32
and
reviews.
Win32. We are really excited to expand
Oh,
this
now it
partnership
has
with Adobe
872
and to see what
reviews.
developers around the world will create in the Microsoft Store. Because what you do inspires us, and we want to help. Now, to learn more about it, we have a session for developers later today, and we are excited to take a deeper dive. Please join us. Okay, before we move on from the store, just one more small surprise. Android apps coming to Windows. And I mean coming
What?
to Windows. They can be integrated into Start.
TikTok.
They'll be integrated in your taskbar.
You can watch
You
TikTok
can
on your
window
PC.
The way Carmen showed you earlier with these apps. And for me, like one of my favorite
Oh
apps
my
is
God, this is
TikTok.
actually good.
True. And they're
This is
discoverable
actually
through the
really
Microsoft
good.
Store
Android
using
apps on Windows 10. This
the
is
Amazon
actually
App Store.
Windows 11.
It's really cool.
This is Talking
And
Tom.
we use Intel Bridge technology to bring it to life, so it's
This
just
is
seamless
actually
and
really good.
smooth. And these integrated
Mobile
apps,
games
I mean,
on
it's just,
PC.
what it does is it brings you into
No need
Windows
for- no
from
need
the
for
most
Android
professional
emulation
editing
anymore.
apps all the way through to the most casual apps you can think of when you lean back on the couch, the way Philip
can't
had
wait
showed
to
you,
watch TikTok
to
on my
just let
computer.
Windows adapt to what you do. We love this. We love that the Microsoft Store continues to be more open, inviting our developers in, inviting more apps into the store, inviting you as our customers to use any app that you love. Now, we're also excited that our hardware partners are ready.
Hardware partner?
Now, we know how important the intersection of hardware and software is on these products. And that always starts with the silicon. And our partners from Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm have been designing with us since day one to bring these products to life for you. Focusing on battery life, performance, touch, pen, all these innovations and the subtleties in between that you need to bring these products to life are all being designed. As a matter of fact, what Intel's doing right now with their 11th gen processor is just awesome. With hundreds of designs coming this holiday, we're super excited. We also have the largest hardware ecosystem on the planet. Between Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, and of course Surface, from day one, have been designing products with Windows 11
Wow.
to bring that elegance to the forefront,
Move on.
to help us build technology for you that will disappear so you can do your
Give us
best
the release
work.
date.
What's incredible about this open hardware ecosystem is it brings you choice, where you can pick the product that you love most with Windows 11. Go out today
Today?
and get your Windows 11 ready PC.
Oh.
We hope you loved what you saw today. And I know it was a lot, there's no doubt. And over the last year, the team and I, this incredible team that brings all this passion to this product, have realized Windows, it's more than just an operating system. It's fabric woven in our lives,
The cat is sleeping.
in our work. It's how we connect with people. It's how we learn. It's how we work. It's how we play. And through all this time, it has stayed familiar. And yet, it has continued to evolve with us.
Okay, where's my Windows 11?
It feels a lot like home. Thanks again for joining us today. It is my great pleasure to introduce you to my friend, Satya.
Thank you so much, Panos. I'm really excited to be here with you all. Today marks a major milestone in the history of Windows. It's the beginning of a new generation.
Are they gonna tell us when we
I'm
can download
excited
it?
by what we have shown you today and how we're
Because you
reimagining
can
everything.
buy a new
from the
Windows
operating
laptop
system
today
itself, to
and
the
have the operating
browser, to
system
the
on it.
store and the feed.
So
And I want to reflect briefly on how we got here. Throughout its history, Windows has been a democratizing force for the world. Windows has created entirely new categories for both consumers and businesses. It's led to many of the world's most successful software categories, from communications and productivity to design and business applications, each of which has created their
I don't
own
know why my
ecosystems.
camera settings
The web
reset.
itself was born and grew
Just
up on
reset
Windows.
itself.
It's driven silicon innovation and device innovation. It's enabled so many people, including hobbyists, students, developers, and entrepreneurs, to all dream big, turn their ideas into reality, and monetize their creation. Windows has always stood for sovereignty for creators and agency for consumers. With Windows, you can consume apps and build apps. You can play games and design games. You can buy a PC and build a PC. You can join your community and create your community. You can buy from a business and start your own business. With Windows 11, we have a renewed sense of Windows' role in the world. As I look ahead, I see three clear opportunities. First, Windows recognizes that there is no personal computing without personal agency.
When am I gonna get some
Personal
sick
computing
gamer
requires
GFX? What do you
choice.
mean? What does that
And we
mean?
need to nurture and grow our own agency over computing itself. We want to remove the barriers that too often exist today and provide real choice and connection. We need to be empowered to choose the applications we run, the content we consume, the people we connect to, and even how we allocate our own attention. Operating systems and devices should mold to our needs, not the other way around. That's why we are making it easier for you to connect with the people you want, the content you want, the apps you want across all devices you want. Second,
Windows
Windows
11
is the
still isn't on the
stage
Microsoft
for the world's
website.
creation. As a creator, every time you pick up a Windows device, it becomes a stage for your inspiration so you can dream big and create something profound and lasting. Creation is going through a sea change as the balance between consumption and creation changes. With this new generation of Windows, we are unleashing the innovation and ingenuity inherent in each of us. We want to foster these virtuous loops between content, consumption, and commerce, driven by communities for everyone. These cycles should flow freely, giving people frictionless access to apps, files, games, movies, shows, content, and communities that matter to them. We want to empower you to produce and inspire you to create. It's why we're introducing a complete new user experience in helping you be more productive. And finally, Windows isn't just an operating system. It's a platform for platform creators.
when is it coming out?
It allows for the broadest of design spaces, enabling people to build their own businesses and communities. Today, the world needs a more open platform, one that allows
said today.
apps to become platforms in their own right. Windows is a platform where things that are bigger than Windows can be born, like the web. That's our aspiration with Windows 11, to be the platform for the next web, the next transformational software category, the next personalized content business. A platform can only serve society if its rules allow for this foundational innovation in category creation. It's why we're introducing new store commerce models and policies and creating new opportunities for local publishers and supporting even more apps with
Resident
Android apps on
Sleeper.
Windows.
What do you mean?
This is the first version of a new era of Windows. We're building for the next decade and beyond. And when I reflect on those chapters to come,
Nice green screen.
I'm reminded of an analogy
The
from a
resolution of
19th
that.
century philosopher who compared creators to objects in our solar system. He wrote about meteors that flash but fade away, planets that burn longer but whose energy is confined to their own orbit, and compared them to stars that are constant and light the path of their own. That's our ambition with Windows, to help other stars and entire constellations to be born and thrive. I'm incredibly proud of what Windows has achieved and how it has fostered lasting opportunity for others. And I look forward to seeing what you achieve with Windows 11 and how it'll unlock enduring opportunity for people in the world. Thank you all very, very much.
Is that it? Where? When do we get to upgrade? Up next. What's next for Windows? Commercial briefing. Where's the upgrade?